Okay, this started right after I ended the last filming. I sneezed the whole way down the block, and then we've walked the beach back to our house, and he's been sneezing the whole way. Unless I pick him up, then the sneezing stops. So I have no idea what's going on. Are you sneezy? He'll sneeze like 15 times in a row. He's sneezy, mommy. You sneezing? I hope there's nothing wrong with him. Sneeze! Oh my! God bless you! God bless you! Handsome devil. You're not looking too good right now. Like you got allergies. What did you do? What did you sneeze? What did you breathe in? Look at that. What happened, honey? Mommy pick you up. All right, bye-bye.